Tesla has just released a new update just in time for the holidays. There are 4 new main features targeting comedy, romance, entertainment, and comfort. The ability to make fart noises with options such as Fart on Demand, which lets you press the left steering scroll wheel to fart, and Fart on Turn signals enables continuous fart noises as long as the turn signal is activated. Choose from multiple different types of fart sounds such as Short Shorts Ripper, Falcon Heavy, Ludicrous Fart, Neutral Stink, Boring Fart, or leave it random. You can define 4 locations to output the fart noises. I have found the 2 rear seats are the best place since the 2 in the front uses the front speakers and not exactly where your butts are located. Thanks to the premium speakers on the Model 3, the fart sounds are realistic. Guarantee a successful awkward prank on your passenger.
Mwah. 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 The hell is that?
Sorry.
That was real? No.
What?
Did you fall for real? I think it's a seat. Right? It would be funny if you can fake the smell too. How do you do that? I want to do that. No, it doesn't. It's so real. Can you do that to me?
What?
Can I do that?
I don't know, can you?
Oh, great. Your face is funny. You had to fart that hard. I want to try.
You gotta squeeze real hard.
Like, press down?
You gotta make the face too.
No, you're lying to me. Now I look stupid.
No, look, there's nothing on my ass.
Huh.
Nothing.
Ooh. And then I'm gonna do me, right?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't work. How hard do you have to sit on it? No, seriously, how hard to do it?
You gotta try harder. You gotta squeeze. You gotta push your butt to the seat to make the fart sound.
I don't know how to push. How to do it?
Try your right cheek.
My hammer is gonna come out.
Try it with the combination of your back.
What's that mean?
Like push your back to the seat. Ooh, you did it!
It's such a workout.
Alright, one more for the video. Try to press hard. Was it left cheek or right cheek?
Both.
Both?
And my back.
Okay, both cheeks and then your back. Try it again. Ooh, that was a weak one. You gotta press harder. I am stoked that they added romance mode. A few years ago when I got my first big screen television, one of my projects was being able to project a big fireplace screensaver with burning wood sounds so I can feel the holiday spirit and just make the whole room feel special without the gas fumes. Now Tesla brought this to all their cars and I am extremely grateful for such a small but meaningful gift. It brings back so much memories. Combining this fireplace with an all-glass roof for stargazing, I'm sure there will be more babies conceived in a Tesla. When a fireplace is activated, heat comes through the vent and it plays some random romantic song when you tap the screen. Tap again to get out. The wood burning sounds is realistic with the Tesla Model 3 premium speaker. Tesla gave us a new game called Pole Position to add to our Tesla Atari collection, or as Tesla call it, Tesla Atari, a racing game where you can use the steering wheel to turn, brake pedal to accelerate, and shifting with the scroll wheels. I wish they matched the color of the car based on your car, but for now it is a red Tesla Model 3. Oh, and go easy on the steering wheel as it does move your front tires when you are steering. You can also connect USB game controller to either one of the 2 front USB slots. I wish Tesla allowed more Bluetooth connection beside mobile devices. This will open up more Bluetooth devices such as mouse or keyboard. A A new option called Keep Climate On can be found on top of the HVAC screen. This feature keeps your car at the temperature of your choice even after you left the car. It automatically turns off when the battery reaches 20% and will notify you on your phone. This new feature is great if you are away from your car for a short period of time and want to come back with the same temperature before you left, or anyone who live in a hotter environment and want to prevent their dash cams from exploding. Tesla has released a new version of their app to accommodate this new release with the ability to control the heated seat and steering wheel from the Tesla app. Having a vehicle that can receive updates should be the norm, but it's not. Most cars are outdated as soon as it is made. Not Tesla, not their software at least. If you have not thought about this yet, because you are spoiled from all these free software updates, remember that other car dealerships will charge up to $500 for a map update, and that's the only thing that they can update. Since we've taken delivery of the Tesla Model 3 in October, we must have received over 6 updates, and most of them are new features. If you appreciate my work, remember to use my referral code in the description for your next Tesla purchase to get 6 months of free supercharging and 5 years extended solar warranty. Thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you love it, and hit that notification button to get notified on my next series. Thanks for watching.